So here is a quick fix to every single problem that I've came across while installing my Tekito script on my M4 Mac, and I just wanted to make it faster for you so you don't spend those hours as I did. Every command that I've used is in the description below. So let's begin. Create a folder inside of your documents where you're gonna install the script. So I've named it Resolve, and then I've placed inside Tekito. Now go get the script on a GitHub. Here's a last version for Mac. Now open it inside of your new folder. Now you can delete the zip file. Go inside of the folder, and to launch the setup, you have to install Python. Go exactly that link and download that Mac OS Universal installer. Once you have it, launch it and install the Python. Great. This is exactly the version that we need for the script of Tekito. You can move it to the trash. Now we need command line tools. Command plus space, type terminal, paste the command, and install an Xcode. It's gonna take some time. Now it's installed. Let's prepare it for the script. Paste the command. Type your password because it's sudo. Now, if you have Homebrew installed, then you don't have to do this, but you can update your Homebrew. Terminal is going to download it if you don't have it. And to update, type brew, update. A few more preparations for Python. Make sure you can execute it everywhere. Also, you might have an old version, so make sure it doesn't launch. Finishing confirmation that it can launch everywhere. And 2 more sudo commands. Now exec your Z shell and check if Python actually works. As you can see, mine shows exactly the version that we need. Check PIP version. That's correct. And we're gonna need some wheels. Download it. Now I'm gonna reinstall port audio because the lack of it can cause some issues. Done. Now this one is what I was trying to solve for so long. Open a new terminal window. Type in cd. Drag the folder. Here, I forgot the space. cd space. Again, drag the folder. And now a fix to the wheels. Quickly preview your requirements with a space. It should say 1.3.19 here, then close it. Return to the terminal opened in the folder. It's the one right here, and install a correct version of Vectro, exactly the one that we need. Now let's make sure we also have Python audio. This one Tekito script also requires. This one Tekito requires also. Install it. Install the requirements finally. Complete it. Now run the smoke test. Everything should be okay. Type chmod +X and drag the script in the terminal. Now drag the script itself and launch it. Ta-da! But we're not finished yet. Open Resolve Launcher. Open the Resolve itself. Any project really. And now open a console and drag that into the console. And you do this by taking it, pressing Command Tab, and dragging it here. Done. Now close Resolve and launch it through the launcher. Resolve. You can now close the launcher. And as you can see, we now have our scripts inside of an edit RS. This is it. So let's quickly test it with the subtitles. Text plus, style it in any way. I've already created some subtitles to make sure that we can test it. Script, RS, subtitle to text plus, and click convert. So we got it. Now we can close the Resolve and go back to the folder. Every time that you will need some Tekito script, just launch the launcher and open your Resolve through this process. Make it more accessible by making an alias and place it where you need it. Now you can launch it through this alias. That's it. Yeah, congratulations, you've done the most difficult thing to get your subtitles with a text plus. And special thanks to PG and Tekito. Thanks, bye.